At 6:10 a.m., a $40 million highway expansion came to a halt when a 90-ton excavator sank half a meter into unstable ground no survey had flagged. The site covered 1,800 acres, scheduled for completion in 14 months, with penalties of $75,000 per day for delays. Geotechnical reports, drone scans, and 6 months of soil testing all confirmed the same conclusion. The ground was stable. Now, machinery was immobilized, timelines were collapsing, and investors were demanding answers. A multinational engineering firm took control. They deployed new sensors, ran emergency simulations, and brought in consultants charging $12,000 per day. Every model repeated the same error, no structural weakness detected. Yet each hour, more equipment risked sinking into the same invisible failure. Standing at the edge of the site was a man no one had hired. He owned a rusted 1987 Bulldozer with faded paint and no digital systems. Workers laughed when he offered to help. He had no degree, no contract, no place in a $40 million operation. But he kept watching one specific detail no one else measured: water runoff. He noticed subtle pooling patterns near a shallow incline, the surveys labeled insignificant. 30 years earlier, he had worked this land before it was sold, before records were digitized. He remembered a buried irrigation trench, never removed, only covered. He drove his bulldozer straight toward the flagged safe zone. Engineers tried to stop him. Seconds later, the ground collapsed exactly where he predicted. The trench had redirected underground water flow, weakening the soil from below. Within hours, plans changed. Drainage channels were cut, load zones shifted, and stabilization began. The delay stopped growing. The project moved forward because one man trusted memory over models. Sometimes the most expensive systems fail where experience remembers.